Kajing Kham ya ka social long kala pulong e kajing Dheng kali ka bajur ba ka nong ba brok way. Uba em Kharkrang rang ba pulit bala shong thai. Ulo ang ba na ka benda ban la baru bengi kadi kajing e dan ka manchna no dagi flyover. Habe ikran bi ginong thok khobor ulo ang ba kajing snai ki parking lot la ni ki jaka yen kali ru dei bachna thik tangai ka parking lot om man thau lang bat ki dukan. Namara kajing snai ki dukan kan shim no e ki jaka ki bathmu na ka benda ban yen ki kali.
I've been saying it earlier, also I'll say it again. North Shillong houses the biggest commercial area of Meghalaya. And if you look at the past history, any untoward incident happening in any place of the city or also in other places of the city also in fact, North Shillong always gets affected. And for this constituency to come out of this, you actually need a public representative who actually knows how to deal with the issue. We have had causes of traffic jams. It is revolving around North Shillong only. Have there been any steps being taken by successive governments? I doubt. I've not seen any action which will show some results being taken. Take for example, I'll just give you an example. See, when they were making the parking lot in Muda, and at that time I was SP Shillong, and they had called me for a meeting also. So I was suggesting, I said, if you're making a parking lot over here, please ensure that we don't have any other commercial shops, and these are coming up because they are the ones who will be taking up the parking spaces, but no one's paying heed to that. And I've seen the parking lot just opposite the State Bank of India in the GS Road. That also they have started making shop. We don't even have places to park the vehicles, and you're congesting them by making more and more shops. So now, if you are not addressing these issues, then how do you address the traffic congestion?
Okay. So, as a former cop, what are your thoughts? How can we deal with this menace of traffic jams, especially in this place because it's heavily congested, sir?
It is, I think so, not only high time, but I think so, there is no other way unless we start having flyovers. There are certain intersections when you look, it is not because of traffic congestion, but it is because of the intersections. You will see here there are a few places where you have about 4 or 5 intersections. And if you are releasing one intersection, then you have to close 4 intersections. Now, if we are not addressing that issue, then you can have broader roads also will not help you. So it is time that we start looking at flyovers. Second thing is that we should also start looking at parking lots. And if you are saying parking lots, then please have only parking lots and nothing else. It doesn't make sense if you start having a parking lot and in its place you have shops and commercial establishments and hotels coming out along with it. Then this problem will not be solved.